class. Today we are going to see the Russian Revolution of 1917. The Russian Revolution of 1917 had a great impact in the world society directly or indirectly. So, during the revolution, in the 1900s, the Russia was ruled by Romanov dynasty. In 1917, the ruler of Russia was Tsar Nicholas II. That's during the time of the revolution of 1917. And his wife Alexandra. Nicholas II, Tsar Nicholas II was under the influence of Alexandra, his wife. And then the socio-economic political conditions prevailing in Russia brought to a head by the vast losses and sufferings met by the various wars indulged by Russia. For example, the Russo-Japanese War and the First World War, particularly these two wars. And then poverty became a characteristic feature of Russia. Russia, like other European countries, was also interested in the expansion of its territories. So as a result, the Russia entered into expansion in 1904. Russia intended to capture Manchuria. Manchuria was a northern province of China. It was under the control of Japan. So, a Russo-Japanese war broke out in 1904. Russia was defeated. So, the greatest losses and sufferings was on the head of the Russian people. Poverty has gone to extreme. Unemployment, poverty, illiteracy, everything has been increased in Russia. Father Gapon, he was a priest and he has gathered the people and he led a procession against the Tsar government. That's on 22nd January 1905. It was taken place on a particular Sunday. That Sunday was described as Bloody Sunday. So the Tsar government has crushed the procession. Several people were killed and several thousands were wounded on that particular day. So Tsar government was forced to form a parliament. In Russian language, the parliament was called Duma. So it was formed and Trotsky, a communist leader, has formed a workers' council. So by the time First World War was broke out, in the First World War was between 1914 to 1918. In 1916, Rasputin was killed. Rasputin has influenced the Russian government, Nicholas government. Rasputin was killed by one of the family members of Tsar. And then Duma was dissolved for 4 times during the World War period. Whenever there is an opposition rise against the Tsar government, Tsar used to dissolve the Duma. And then the workers during the World War time, the workers came to the street, especially the women workers whose husbands were in the army. The slogan was bread for workers. Nearly 4 lakhs of workers were brought to the street because of poverty. They demanded for bread. On March 15th, Tsar was forced to abdicate the throne. After abdication, Lenin was not there. Lenin was in Switzerland. Lenin has suggested the Bolshevik Central Committee to continue the revolution. The revolution was centered on 8/11/1917. A communist government was formed under Lenin in Russia. After the formation of communist government, illiteracy was completely abolished. Poverty was step by step abolished. Banks and industries were nationalized. And then Pravda, a newspaper, became the official new. Pravda means truth in Russian language. Pravda became the official newspaper of Russian government from 1918 till 1991. Lands were given back to the poor people. Land became a social property. And women were given equal rights to men. In those days, women had no right to vote. Women were given the right to vote. They were treated equally with men. So these were all the importance, and agriculture was improved under the communist government. the world society, the entire world turned back and look at the communist form of government. It was unique, it was new to the world. So Lenin's the Lenin had given a great lesson to the world. Lenin was the one who has shown what is communism. He has followed the real communism. Today's communists have to learn a lesson from Lenin. I wind up here. Thank you. Have a nice day.